Welcome to my channel, everybody. This is the linear equation with constant coefficient. That is the differential equation actually. Today I have to discuss like that linear differential equation with constant coefficient. That is the pattern of like d mth order of this. Let us assume this is the highest order. This will be always positive integer plus p1 d minus 1 order. This is m minus 1 dx to the power m minus 1, and this is and y with constant coefficient. Let us assume that is p naught and y is equal to 0. Okay, this type of differential equation with constant, with right hand side we are 0. Today this is about the discussion. Okay, in this type of equation, let us assume a child solution always y equal to e to the power mx. Let y equal to e to the power mx be the trial solution. Okay, solution. Then we easily get the value of m and find the solution. Okay, and for example we want to give you a second order differential equation, and that is like that a into d2y dx2 plus this is a2 a1 and dy dx plus a naught y is equal to 0. For this differential equation, and let us assume for the basic conception, just I want to discuss about the point e to the power mx be the trial solution. Then for first order derivative we get m into to the power mx, and for second order derivative we get that is m square e to the power mx and y equal to e to the power mx. Okay, and from these three and with this we get here like this is the second order, we get a m square e to the power mx here. a1, this is a2, a1 m into e to the power mx plus a naught into e to the power mx here equal to 0. So clearly we know that e to the power mx can't be 0 here. Okay, this is not be 0, cannot be 0. This is an exponential, so remaining factor this is a 0. Okay, a2 m square a1x plus a naught equal to 0 here, and from this, sorry, here this is a m, this is wrongly written here, this is the m here. So if number a point, if we get here m is equal to, from this equation, that is alpha comma beta, both are real, alpha and beta are real, so we get both are different. This is the big point here. When the solution are different, when the solution are same means equal, and when we get the solution are complex. This is the big point here. This is the most important point. Then the solution. Then we can write y is equal to like c1 into e to the power alpha x plus c2 into the power beta x. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, number b point, if we get m equal to alpha comma alpha, both are same, then the solution c1 plus x into c2 into e to the power alpha x square. Okay, number c point, if m equal to alpha plus minus I beta, this is the complex number, and for that then we can write here y is equal to this is alpha, so you can write here alpha to the power x. Okay, a into cos, this is for beta x, and b into sine beta x here. Okay, and this solution I could learn here, and then we follow the next solution, and this is the helpful point here. Okay, and this is the only order of second order. Now if we get a different type of problem, look here, we have a solution, have a question here. See carefully the point 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, now just I have written here a m square, this is a2, a1m plus that is a naught. If m equal to alpha comma beta, then solution c1 e to the power alpha x, c2 to the power beta x, m equal to alpha comma alpha, then we get c1x into c2 e to the power alpha x. If alpha plus minus I beta, then y equal to e to the power alpha x and a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Okay, so this is the main 3 points are more needed point. Okay, now if the differential equation be like d3y and dx3, okay, 3 d2y dx2 plus 4y equal to 0. And similarly, point here is, let us assume a trial solution y equal to d by mx. Okay, then we derivative this like dy dx, we get m into to the power mx, and second order be m square into the power mx, and similarly we get the third order, that is here m cube to the power mx. Okay, 3 into m square, 4 into to the power mx, there be to the power mx also, plus 4 into the power mx, and this is b0, and taking common e to the power mx here, so that is m cube minus 3m plus 4 equal to 0, but e to the power mx never be 0. Okay, therefore we get m cube minus 3m plus 4 equal to 0. Then the solution, if we put here m equal to, this is square, there is a mistake, so that was the point. And now if we point here, this is minus 1. Okay, so other two factor be m plus 1, m plus 1, so m plus 1, so this is m cube here, so m square, so that will be m cube minus m square 4m, this is minus 4m square. Okay, minus 4m, but plus 4m plus 4m plus 4, and this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0, so m plus 1 and m square minus 4m plus 4, so then we get m equal to minus 1, and this is the square, so that is m plus 2 whole square equal to 0, so we can write here minus 2 minus 2. Okay, and the point for same solution we can write like this pattern. Okay, and this is the different. In a single solution, then we can write here c1 into e to the power for this alpha x. Okay, this is alpha x, let us assume, and the another two are same. So like this pattern we can write here, as we use the c1 here, so we write here c2 plus x into c3 into e to the power minus twice x here. Okay, see that carefully, and how can represent this? This is the most important point, need to be a learning point in this 3. Okay, next point, just next problem, next point, That is another discussion, another point here. See carefully, the question here is equal to 0. Okay. Again, let us assume y equal to e to the power mx be the trial solution. Clearly see that the point here, m to the power 4, 8m square and 16 equal to 0. So m square plus I think 4 whole square equal to 0. So this is square. So there here is the two pair of complex solution. Two pair complex solution, that is m equal to plus minus I2 and also 0 plus minus I2 here. Okay. Now solution here is y equal to, so we can want to write here, that is e to the power 0x, and also this is the pair. If the both solution are pair equal, like equal, technically this is an equal, so we can write here c1 plus x into c2 into cos twice x. Okay, as it is a complex, so you represent like cos 2x, sin 2x, like that. Okay, c1 c2, so you can write here c3 into x, c4 and sin and twice x here. Okay, right now this is the most important point. And now next question, just I want to discuss the last point for this chapter, and in my next video we want to discuss if on the right hand side we have variable and constant, and then the another type of solution. This type of equation have two solution, that is complementary solution, which I have now discussed about the more point, and also another solution be particular solution, and that type of solution I want to discuss. I will be discussed in the next video. So see the last solution for this chapter. This is here, okay, plus y equal to 0, and given x equal to and y equal to, x equal to and y equal to. What is the value here? 2 and 0. This is 2 and 0 here, and pi by 2, and this is minus 2 here. Okay, then find the solution. And same we see, let us assume y equal to e to the power mx be the trial solution. So we can write m square plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to plus minus I 0. So now solution here is y is equal to e to the power 0x. Okay, and now a into cos x plus b into sin x, and these 2 points are given here. So put this point here in this equation if 0, and then 2 here. So y is 2 here, and this is equal to 0 means 1, a 0, sorry, x here is 0. So a cos 0 means this, and b sin 0 is this. So a is 0 2. If mistake here, this is pi by 2 and this is minus 2. Okay, I am wrongly written here, sorry. Now look, if y equal to minus 2, then we got a into cos pi by 2, this is pi by 2 here. Okay, and plus b into sin pi by 2 here. Now see, and this is b0, so b equal to minus 2 here, a equal to 2. So solution is the equation, which is our equation, this is your equation. So we can write, and this is e to the power 0 means 1, a cos x, a means 2 cos x, b means minus 2 sin x. Okay, this is the solution of this chapter. Okay, this is the more important point. Just I want to introduce all the viewers, and we can say in my next video, this type of differential equation on the right hand side all are 0, but if there is a constant and variable, so that type of discussion in the next video. Bye everybody.